Have you ever wondered how simple words spoken repeatedly can reshape your life? Welcome to our exploration of the law of attraction through the power of affirmations over just 3 days. In this video, we'll uncover how carefully chosen words can align your thoughts and actions with the universe's vast opportunities. Whether you're new to this concept or looking to refresh your practice, these next few minutes will equip you with the tools to start a transformative journey into manifesting your desires with nothing more than your voice and belief. Affirmations are short, powerful statements that, when spoken repeatedly, reinforce the mental patterns of thinking positively and manifesting your intentions. These are not just wishful thinking, but a cognitive tool in psychological practice known for altering habitual thought patterns. Affirmations work by gradually convincing the mind that what you're saying must be true. When practiced consistently, these positive statements can overwrite negative thoughts and beliefs, carving a path for new, more beneficial behaviors and thought processes. The effectiveness of affirmations lies in their repetition and the belief in their truth. By declaring specific, positively framed sentences about how you want your life to unfold, you are essentially programming your subconscious mind to focus on achieving these outcomes. This method is backed by neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections throughout life. Therefore, affirmations contribute to this process by fostering new thoughts and diminishing old ones that no longer serve you. Before you begin the 3-day affirmation challenge, it's crucial to prepare both your mind and environment to support this practice. Preparation starts with a clear, calm mindset. Choose a time of day when you are least likely to be interrupted. Many find early morning or late evening to be ideal. During this time, you can focus entirely on your affirmations without the distractions of daily responsibilities. Creating a supportive environment is also essential. Find a quiet space where you feel comfortable and at peace. This could be a small corner of your room dedicated to meditation, or any area where you can sit undisturbed for a few minutes. Some may prefer ambiance with soft lighting or scented candles to enhance the experience, although these are optional. For mental preparation, reflect on what you truly desire to manifest. Be honest with yourself about your goals and the changes you wish to see. Write these down clearly and concisely. These written intentions will form the basis of your affirmations for the next 3 days. And it's not just about crafting the words you will speak, it's about understanding and aligning them with your deepest aspirations. While you start on this 3-day challenge, remember that the transformation we anticipate is not just about the words themselves, but how they help us align our thoughts with our actions and intentions. With your environment set and a clear mind, you're ready to harness the power of words to tap into the law of attraction. Keep your focus on the goal and let each affirmation bring you closer to the reality you wish to create. On the first day of your affirmation challenge, the focus is on setting clear intentions. Begin by calmly stating your written affirmations aloud. It is crucial that these affirmations are stated in the present tense, as if what you desire is already occurring. For instance, if your goal is to enhance your self-confidence, your affirmation might be, "I am confident in my abilities and decisions." This helps your mind accept these statements as current truths, not future possibilities. The process of saying your affirmations should be deliberate and mindful. Each word should be spoken clearly and with conviction. It is not just about the repetition of words, but feeling the truth in them. Allow yourself to experience the positive emotions associated with the outcomes you're affirming. This emotional engagement is a key component in signaling to your subconscious that these affirmations are important and true. During day 1, it is also beneficial to spend a few moments after your affirmations in quiet contemplation or meditation. This helps solidify the thoughts and feelings associated with your affirmations, embedding them deeper into your consciousness. By ending your first day on this reflective note, you set a strong foundation for the transformative power of your words. After completing your affirmations for the day, take some time to reflect on the experience, and journaling is an effective way to document your thoughts and feelings that arose during the session. Write down what felt particularly resonant for you, any challenges you faced in believing your affirmations, and any changes in your emotional state before and after the exercise. This reflection is not just a recap, but an integral part of the process. It allows you to track your progress and provides insights into your emotional responses to each affirmation. Noticing which affirmations stir strong positive emotions or which ones might need more focus can help you adjust your approach in the following days. Journaling also serves as a tangible record of your journey over these 3 days. It can be incredibly fulfilling to look back on your initial thoughts and feelings and compare them to the mental and emotional state you achieve at the end of the challenge. While you move through these initial stages of the challenge, remember that the power of affirmations lies in your commitment to the process and belief in the outcomes. The first day is about setting the stage, emotionally and mentally, for the positive changes you are ready to welcome into your life. Begin day 2 by incorporating affirmations that foster a sense of gratitude. Gratitude amplifies the positive energy you put into the universe and strengthens the return flow of blessings. Today, your affirmations should include expressions of thankfulness for your current life and the abundance you are attracting. For instance, you might say, "I am grateful for the love and peace that are abundant in my life," or "I appreciate the wealth of opportunities coming my way." These affirmations reinforce the positive aspects of your life and align your spirit with receiving more. Just like the first day, it is important to speak these affirmations out loud with conviction and feel the truth of the words. Let the warmth of gratitude fill you as you acknowledge the gifts in your life, strengthening the belief that the universe is conspiring to bring you more. After reaffirming your gratitude, the next step involves visualization, a powerful tool that complements your spoken words. Visualization is about creating vivid mental images of the situations or achievements you are affirming. When you visualize, you're not just daydreaming, you are actively constructing mental scenarios that your subconscious can accept as real possibilities. For this exercise, close your eyes after stating each affirmation and paint a detailed picture in your mind of your desired outcome. If your affirmation is about success in your career, imagine yourself in your ideal job setting, performing tasks with skill and receiving recognition for your contributions. Feel the satisfaction and joy that would accompany such achievements. This combination of gratitude affirmations and visualization creates a potent mix that can more effectively signal your intentions to the universe. By feeling grateful for what you have and what's to come, and by clearly picturing your desires, you are deepening the imprint of your affirmations on your subconscious, making them more likely to manifest. While we end day 2, reflect again through journaling. Capture how the practice of gratitude changes the nature of your affirmations and what emotions surface during visualization. This reflection helps track your evolving mindset and the strengthening of your belief in the power of affirmations. By the end of day 2, you should feel a heightened sense of alignment with your desires and an increased confidence in your ability to attract what you affirm. The activities of this day are crucial in solidifying your practice and enhancing your connection to the abundant energy of the universe. The first activity of day 3 centers on addressing and releasing any remaining limiting beliefs that might hinder your progress. It's vital to identify thoughts that contradict your affirmations, as these can create resistance against your desires. Today's affirmations should specifically target these negative beliefs, transforming them into empowering statements. For example, if you find yourself doubting your ability to achieve success, your affirmation might be, "I am fully capable and deserving of success." When stating these affirmations, it's important to do so with an awareness of letting go of the old beliefs. Visualize them leaving your mind, replaced by the positive truth of your new affirmations. This process is not just about denial, but about an active replacement of unhelpful thoughts with beneficial ones that align with your goals. Following the release of limiting beliefs, the next step is to fully accept the changes that your affirmations promote. This part of the challenge is about accepting that change is already underway and that the universe is rearranging itself to fulfill your affirmations. It's important to remain open and receptive to whatever forms these changes may take. Your affirmations might bring opportunities that require you to step out of your comfort zone or make decisions that align with your newly established beliefs. At this stage, affirmations like, "I welcome positive changes into my life," or "I am ready to move forward with confidence," can be very powerful. Speak these affirmations with a sense of expectancy and readiness for the new chapters about to unfold in your life. Allow yourself to feel excited and optimistic about the future you are creating. While we end the third day, engage in a final session of reflection and journaling. Document the experience of releasing limiting beliefs and accepting change. Note any new feelings or opportunities that have arisen as a result of this 3-day process. This documentation will serve as a valuable reminder of your capacity to influence your reality through focused thought and affirmation. You've now completed a structured 3-day journey designed to harness the power of affirmations to activate the law of attraction. Over these 3 days, you've set clear intentions, cultivated gratitude, visualized success, released limiting beliefs, and prepared to accept new changes. The practice doesn't have to end here. Continue to use these techniques daily, integrating affirmations into your regular routine to maintain this alignment with your desires. Remember, the power of affirmations lies in your consistent belief and willingness to accept change. Keep your affirmations present and your mind open, and watch as the universe collaborates to bring your desires into reality. This journey has equipped you with tools not just for 3 days, but for a lifetime of positive thinking and manifesting. Keep steering your thoughts towards your goals and let the law of attraction do its work.